So it's full time here at Haverfordwest 0, Aberystwyth Town 1. I'm here with assistant manager Wyn Thomas. Wyn, it wasn't pretty, but what the result?
Yeah, important 3 points. When we first arrived, the pitch looked in good nick for the weather we've had for the last 5 weeks. Once you got on it, it was a different story. But it was the performance wasn't great by the lads, but the 3 points was vital, and it took a crazy goal to win it.
And that's 2 clean sheets in succession now. How pleased is it to see the defence holding up strong?
Yeah, defensively better. Like I said, the game wasn't brilliant. We did what we had to do, which was good. We needed a bit more from players. Hopefully that will come with time, fitness and such. But 3 points was big for us.
And with Newtown and Connors both dropping points today, how crucial will that be in the run up to the top 6?
Yeah, it is important, but we've got to worry about ourselves. Yes, it's nice for teams to draw, but it's important for us to pick up wins, pick up points wherever we can to get in that top 6.
And I know he's sitting right next to us now, but embarrass the boy. Jack Grimmer with a great goal today. How special a talent is he?
Yeah, the boy has got bags of ability. He can play. He's very, very young, so he's got a lot to learn. But yeah, hopefully we can nurture him and he can play as many games for Aberystwyth Town as we can. Hopefully we can keep him. But if he moves on to bigger and better, I wish him, and I'm sure the club and everyone involved with the club wishes him all the best. But at the moment, he's doing his stuff for Aberystwyth, which we all like.
That's the final away game for the Spits. How do you assess the away form this term?
It's been up and down our season so far. Hopefully with TNS was a turning point for us. We know what we've got in the change rooms. We've said it all before. We've got the players. We've got the attitude. It's just delivering week on, week out. And hopefully we've turned the corner. We've got a big game now against Carmarthen on Tuesday, and then Haverfordwest again on Friday. But yeah, we just keep knocking away. Hopefully we can pick up points.
And looking ahead to those games and the final 4 games, how confident are we in the squad about getting to the top 6?
It's not going to be easy. The other teams are as strong and as good as us. It's all on the day, as we well know. And hopefully the lads can push on, take the positives that we have done today, take it into the next one, and perform well. Another clean sheet would be nice. A few goals would be wonderful, and hopefully we'll achieve the top 6.
Wyn, thank you very much for your time. Happy Christmas.
Okay, cool.